So welcome to this video. We have a Tonor TM20 mic here we bought on Amazon. Really good price, something like $30. Let's open it up and see what we have. So here's the Tonor TM20, and that's the manual. Has English and other languages, so pretty easy install. So here's the cable. It's a USB 2 and USB-C. Let's see, look at the mic itself. So the reason I bought this is for a small conference room for Zoom conferencing. We needed a mic that might be better than the one we have. So I'm hoping that this 360 setup with this mic would work for us for the conference room for Zoom. So I will put it to the test in the room and put in comments whether this really does the job. So it's a nice decent build. It's metal, maybe a little bit of plastic here, and sits well on the conference table. And I think quite a long USB cable came with the product. So the setup should be pretty simple. Connects to this USB-C here, like so. And good thing is the cable is quite long, like 6 feet. That's a good thing. I plan to use it with a USB extension, and I will report back if this does a good job with the Zoom video conferencing. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.